Hello YouTubers! In today's tutorial, we're making captivating YouTube thumbnails using the power of artificial intelligence. First up, let's head to Wepik's AI image generator. We're getting started with the perfect thumbnail for travel lovers, generating a stunning background image. Now, it's time to craft a title with the help of Wepik's AI writer that's sure to reel in viewers. The online editor gives you full control over style, color, and lighting, so feel free to experiment until you find the perfect fit for your theme. We're moving on to our bakery theme, where we'll whip up 4 delightful images from one single prompt. Download your fresh images with just a single click, and open them on Wepik's online editor. Now, it's time to create your composition, generate a captivating new title, and add some finishing touches, including any colors, fonts, or new elements, until you get a brilliant design that will impress your audience for sure. Once you're thrilled with your thumbnail, download it. And just like that, you are ready to impress. That's Wepik, design made easy for your business.